Hey guys, once again welcome back to your Big Guide channel. In this video we will talk about a very important function called concatenate. Okay, so how concatenate works. Example, these numbers if you need to put together, so you can use the function concatenate. It equals concatenate, select text 1 comma text 2. By putting comma you can select all of them, and the last one then bracket close. Very simple. Press enter. Now you drag the list down. All the numbers which are there now all together came up. Okay, now here's the catch. In case if you want to put space in between, example 51, 12, 23, 12, all of them, and you want to put space, so how you can do that? Okay, so let me show you here only. Let's delete this. Equals, again we will use the same function called concatenate text 1 comma. Now instead of putting second number all together, we will put double quotes space double quotes, then comma, again comma, double quotes space double quotes, comma, comma, double quotes space comma, again same thing we're going to do until it's finishes. So there is one more number to go, double quotes space. So the space you will put, you should put it between double quotes. That's it. Bracket close and press enter. You will have the numbers with space. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.